Welcome to part 3 of the OpenAlgo Python tutorial. In part 1 we covered SDK setup, placing orders, fetching quotes, market depth and historical data. In part 2 we mastered Place Smart Order for intelligent position management. Now in part 3 we unlock the full power of options trading. You will learn the option symbol format, the offset system for automatic strike selection, single leg and multi-leg options orders, and analytical tools like option chain and option Greeks. Let us get started. Before placing options orders, let us understand the symbol format. Every option symbol in OpenAlgo follows a fixed pattern. Take Nifty 24th February 26,000 CE. The first part is the underlying index Nifty. Next is the expiry date 24th February 26. Then the strike price 26,000. And finally the option type CE for call or PE for put. OpenAlgo builds this symbol automatically using the offset parameter. You just say ATM or ITM. 3 and OpenAlgo resolves the exact strike and symbol for you. The offset parameter is the heart of options ordering. It tells OpenAlgo which strike to select relative to the current market price. ATM means at the money, the strike closest to spot. ITM means in the money. ITM 1 is 1 strike deep. ITM 2 is 2 strikes up to ITM 50. OTM means out of the money. OTM 1 is 1 strike out. OTM 2 is 2 strikes out. For Nifty with 50-point strike gaps and spot at 26,000, ATM is 26,000, ITM 2 is 25,900 and OTM 4 is 26,200. For put options, ITM and OTM directions flip. The option symbol function lets you look up the exact trading symbol without placing an order. Pass the underlying, exchange, expiry date, offset and option type. OpenAlgo returns the resolved symbol, lot size, tick size, and freeze quantity. Here we request the ATM call for Nifty expiring 24th February 26. OpenAlgo returns Nifty 24th February 26 26,000 CE with lot size 65. Use this to verify which strike gets selected before placing your trade. Now let us place our first options order. To buy an ATM call on Nifty, use client.optionsorder. Set underlying to Nifty, exchange NSE_index, expiry 24th February 26, offset ATM, option type CE, action BUY, quantity 65 which is 1 lot. OpenAlgo automatically finds the ATM strike at 26,000, builds the symbol Nifty 24th February 26 26,000 CE, and places the market order. One function call handles everything. No manual symbol lookup needed. To short an option, change action to SAL and pick your offset. Here we sell an OTM for call. With Nifty at 26,050 point gaps, OTM 4 means 4 strikes above ATM which is 26,200. OpenAlgo resolves this to Nifty 24th February 26 26,200 CE and places a sell order. This is how you write covered calls or naked calls. The offset number controls how far out of the money you owe. Higher offset means cheaper premium but more room for the market. For a bearish trade, buy an ITM put. Set offset to ITM, 3 and option type to PE. For puts, in the money means strikes above the spot price. So ITM 3 with Nifty at 26,000 gives you strike 26150. OpenAlgo resolves this to Nifty 24th February 26, 26150 PE. Notice how ITM direction flips for puts versus calls. For calls, ITM is below spot. For puts, ITM is above spot. OpenAlgo handles this automatically based on the option type. For a cheap downside hedge, buy an OTM put. Set offset to OTM, 5 and option type PE. For puts, OTM means strikes below the spot price. OTM 5 gives you strike 25750. The premium is much lower because it is far from the money. This is commonly used to protect your portfolio against a sudden crash. Increase the offset for cheaper protection or decrease it for more coverage. One line of code protects your portfolio. Now let us use options multi-order for multi-leg strategies. A short straddle sells both an ATM call and ATM put at the same strike. Pass both legs in a single array. Both use offset ATM, same expiry, action SELL. OpenAlgo resolves both to strike 26,000 and places 2 sell orders. The buy first execution rule applies. Since both are SEL legs here, they execute in parallel. You collect premium from both sides and profit if Nifty stays near 26,000. One API call for the entire strategy. A short strangle uses OTM strikes for a wider profit zone. Sell OTM, 3 call at 26150 and OTM, 3 put at 25850. Same expiry, same quantity. The wider gap gives you more room. Change OTM 3 to OTM 5 for an even wider strangle at 26250 and 25750 or OTM 1 for a tighter one at 26050 and 25950. The offset number is your risk control. Higher offset means wider range but lower premium. Lower offset means more premium but tighter range. A bull call spread profits when Nifty rises. Buy an ATM call at 26,000 and sell an OTM 4 call at 26,200. The buy leg costs more but the sell leg offsets some premium. Maximum loss is the net premium paid. Maximum profit is capped at the 200-point difference between strikes minus premium. Open Algo places the BUY leg first for margin benefit, then the SAL leg. Defined risk, defined reward, 2 legs, 1 API call. A bear put spread profits when Nifty falls. Buy an ATM put at 26,000 and sell an OTM 3 put at 25850. This is a defined risk bearish strategy. Maximum loss is the net premium paid. Maximum profit is the 150-point gap minus premium. The structure mirrors the bull call spread but uses puts instead. Again, one API call handles both legs with BUY executing first for margin efficiency. The iron condor is the classic 4-leg income strategy. It combines a bull put spread and a bear call spread. Buy OTM, 6 call at 26,000, 300 as upper protection. Buy OTM, 6 put at 25,000, 700 as lower protection. Sell OTM 3 call at 26150 for premium. Sell OTM 3 put at 25850 for premium. All 4 legs in one API call. Open Algo executes the 2 UI legs first, then the 2 SAL legs. Your profit zone is between 25850 and 26150, a 300-point range. Maximum loss is limited and defined. A diagonal spread uses different strikes and different expiry dates. Buy an ITM, 2 call expiring 31st March 26, the far month, and sell an OTM, 2 call expiring 24th February 26, the near month. Each leg specifies its own expiry date in the legs array. The far month option has more time value. The near month decays faster. You profit from the time decay difference. This is a theta positive strategy. Open Algo reserves each leg to its correct symbol with the right expiry date. The option chain function fetches live option chain data. Pass the underlying, exchange, expiry date, and strike count to limit results. Open Algo returns the ATM strike, underlying LTP, and for each strike the CE and PE data including symbol, label, LTP, bid, ask, volume, and open interest. Each strike is labeled ATM, ITM 1, ITM 2, OTM 1, OTM 2, and so on. The strike count of 5 returns 5 strikes around ATM. Remove it to fetch the entire chain. The option Greeks function returns Greeks for any option. Pass the option symbol, exchange, interest rate, and underlying details. Open Algo returns delta, gamma, theta, vega, and implied volatility. Delta 0.50 means the option moves half a point for every point in Nifty. Theta minus 8.50 means you lose 8.5 rupees daily to time decay. Gamma measures how delta changes. Vega shows sensitivity to volatility. These are essential for risk management and strategy selection. Open Algo makes options trading incredibly simple. Auto symbol resolution means no manual symbol construction. Just say ATM or OTM 4 and the exact strike is resolved. Multi-leg execution handles up to 20 legs in a single API call. Buy first execution optimizes margin automatically. And every strategy is supported from simple calls and puts to iron condors and diagonal spreads. The same clean Python SDK from parts 1 and 2, now with full options power. Head over to docs.openalgo.in for the complete options API documentation covering options order, options multi-order, option chain, and option Greeks. If you missed parts 1 and 2, check them out for SDK setup, basic functions, and smart order management. Drop a comment below if you want tutorials on backtesting, strategy automation, or webhook integration. Happy trading!